It is time for another carbonation experiment, and this time it's the turn of Scotch Whisky, my country's national drink. So there you go. Let's crack the bottle open and pour it into the carbonation bottle. So I'm going to tip it in until it gets up to the wibbly wobbly line. That is the correct carbonation level for whisky. And then I'm going to stick carbon dioxide into it. Quite looking forward to this one. I think it's going to work. That could be optimism just before a fall, but you never know. So here's the Sodastream. And here is the bottle of whiskey. Ram it into the Sodastream and carbonate it in several bursts. Ooh, that's good. We're going for a triple fart here. It's important to note that Sodastream only recommends carbonating water in their units, just in case they explode. In some countries, they put vodka into soda siphons and they carbonate it and then squirt it into little glasses of syrupy fruit syrup stuff, and it makes a party starter. That's what I'm thinking this whiskey could be used for. Oh, it's taking a lot of carbon dioxide. That's quite scary. First fart. Second fart. Triple fartulation. Let's let it tame down, let the bubbles go up a wee bit, and then we'll start releasing the pressure. Oh, it's foaming up. But I think the foam's going to go down quite quickly. This could also be jinxing myself by saying things like that. Oh, it's going down, it's going down. I have a sneaky feeling this is going to be something good. The pressure is off. The pressure's on. Whiskey. Is it carbonated? I would say so. A Glen glass, which is the best glass for drinking whiskey. That's quite a generous glass of whiskey, but that's okay. It's a generous dram. Let's taste this and see what the texture is like, since that's what it's going to be about. Oh, super fizzy. Oh, that's great. Do you know what this would be great for? See if you had a party, and as part of that party, right at the beginning, all your guests were assembled, and you carbonated some whiskey, and then gave them all a shot of whiskey to start the party. There'd be a certain sort of novelty to that. Plus, it tastes really nice. And that novelty would really get the party off to a good start. And it would use it up, because I don't think you'd really store it for too long without recarbonating it. Oh, I'm going to give me hiccups. That's great. That is a really good result. So, can you carbonate Scotch whisky? The answer is yes. Should you do it? Yes.